Oh, what's up, Buzz? Back like I never left. Now, today we have the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. So I partnered with Bose to bring you this video. This is a 3 months in review. It's been 3 months since this came out and some change. All right, so first thing is first, the look and the feel of, getting to use these. They are so comfortable. These might be one of the, most comfortable open earbuds out there. The one thing you're going to notice is that you got this little silicone down here that will stretch and it goes around your ear. So it's going to fit a lot of different more ear styles out there. And it's really easy to put on. At first it is a little tricky, but after you do it like a couple times, it's on like that and you're good to go. So you just do both of these and you're good and you'll be all set. And they're super easy to put on. All right, so now when it comes to the comfort, you might know someone or you might be the someone that has these, and they will all say the same thing. It's like, these things are freaking comfortable. Like, they're so comfortable you forget that they're in your ear after a while. Like, you'll put them in and then you just forget they're there. You're just listening to music and you're in your zone. They don't fatigue your ears with the sound, since it's barely on the edge of it. Like a regular earbud would, it starts to fatigue your ear and make your ears tired and make your ears hurt. You're not, getting any pains from there. A lot of people love the comfort of these, and I'm one of them. I think they're probably one of the most comfortable out there, and plus with the stability and a smaller casing compared to wrapped around the ear. But with these, the comfort is amazing, and it's a more casual look as well. And you get that more casual look. It looks more stylish, just wearing them. It looks like you have an earring in your ear and you can just go about your day. You can go to Target with these. You can go get your nails done. You can walk through the mall. You can go to the dentist. My dentist lets me wear earbuds if I want to. But that was just being said that there's so many different use cases where you can bust these out and use them. It doesn't have to just be running. You can run with these. You can warm up, play basketball, go golfing, get your shots off. You can do all that different stuff. They're going to work just as good, as any open earbud that is just geared towards runners. But after you're working out, you can still rock these, and go do your errands after your workout and stuff. So when it comes to the battery life, you got 7.5 hours of battery life off a single charge in the earbuds. You got 19.5 in the case, and you basically have 48 hours of standby mode also on these earbuds. When it comes to the waterproof level of this, it's IPX4. That means it has sweat cover. Don't worry about it. If you're working out in these and you're gonna be sweating a lot, you're good, you're covered. You can even run in the rain with these. So when it comes to the sound quality of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, I really do like the sound quality that is given off. It sounds really clean, but more than anything, I really like the volume that you're getting off of these. Because of the placement inside your ear, you're getting way more volume than other open earbuds that sit on the outside, and a lot of the sound is escaping. I do like that. That's really big with this. It does give you a decent little bass as well, but you can EQ it also with the Bose EQ app and get it sound custom, perfect to how you like it. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.